You know those friends that you have known closely for a very, very long time, and in that time you see each other grow, you see each other evolve, and a lot of the things remain the same and a lot of the things change. So this video is exactly about that.
See, that's what I'm saying. If you're not here, I will. You go out of the room. I'll film.
You know, one of the best parts of documenting your life in a video format is that you get to relive the exact same day, you get to relive the exact same weather, the exact mood that you were in, and the exact emotion that you felt. The better part of this journey is sharing this video journey with somebody else. She's
Have
so
you started?
irritated.
Okay, so every time we come here, okay, to the CCD one, he just makes me sit and we don't buy anything because that way we're conjuice. He's conjuice.
Simplicity and minimalism.
Okay. But then he can't come and sit in a place and not buy anything. So this time now, what? No, but you got a muffin.
I got told off क्योंकि I came with her. Every single time मैं यहाँ पे बहुत बार आया हूँ पहले. I just don't even buy anything. I just buy cookies and then. So that is my plan for today. The first three things. And I think I better get to doing that. Before that happens, मेरी sleep quality is like a bit on and off, and मुझे like full attentive रहने के लिए for the next at least 2 hours. उसके बाद अगर मैं सो गया then okay, it is fine, but I need to make a cup of coffee and I need to do it right now. So ignore the mess जितना भी कचरा है किचन में, but just focus on me, like eyes up here. सुबह जब भी आप चाय या फिर कॉफ़ी बनाते हो तो फिर really enjoy the process. Like making coffee या फिर making chai in itself is a process, and don't just make chai या फिर make coffee क्योंकि you are going to like drink it within like 5 minutes, but actually feel the journey of making chai या फिर making coffee. I promise your mornings will be a lot better. But the key to making good coffee and just life in general is doing the things that you want to do in a way that you want it. Jैसे I made Sleepy Owl coffee. Starbucks probably uses another brand of coffee that is like way more expensive than this, and it has a certain blend of water, it has a certain blend of milk, it has a certain blend of cream. I don't care about any of that. I make coffee the way I want it. So life may just do things the way that you want them to do, and just ignore the status quo, ignore like what everybody else is doing. Do things the way that you want them to, and so do things and create things the way that you want them to, and eventually, perfect. मेरे एक सब्जेक्ट के कार्ड्स, एंड प्रोग्रेस डजंट हैव टू बी लाइक रियली बिग या फिर लाइक रियली ग्रैंडियोस या फिर समथिंग दैट एवरीबडी एल्स नोटिसेस. आई रिमेंबर कि मैंने जिस दिन पे ये कार्ड्स बनाए थे एंड उसके नेक्स्ट डे मुझे ये कार्ड्स लाइक टू जस्ट इवन गो थ्रू वंस, मुझे इट वॉज टेकिंग अराउंड लाइक 25 to 30 minutes like to just go through this once and memorize it. But it has been about like 1 month now, and dhire dhire the time is like down to 5 to 7 minutes because I'm doing something consistently. So just a reminder कि progress the way that however you term it, so it doesn't have to make sense to anybody else. Your progress has to be only determined on the metrics that you set for yourself, and while doing that you also have to realize कि progress won't be like the same on most days. Like your 100% looks a lot different on different days. Today is turning out to be like a very like much more productive day than I actually like expected it to be. The thing that I like about decluttering is that how the human body replenishes and just completely replaces itself like every 7 to 8 years, and that is like just composed of like small like minute processes. Jैसे right now as I'm talking right now, as you're watching this, so your body is like constantly filtering out the old cells and replacing them with new cells, and that is a process that you could actively do like in your immediate environment, in your immediate home, and that is just decluttering, which is just filtering out the things that you don't need and just keeping the things that you need. While those two things are happening, you also create space for what is to come. This is one of my favorite parts of my city, and I think there is like west side somewhere right here, and I'm meeting Nisaa right there. So I'm meeting her right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Don't film it like this. You have to show me how.
Nice. How was your day? Here क्योंकि we have this sale.
Yes.
And हम last time आए थे, but we were like quite in a rush. I want to buy these t-shirts. ऐसे these. This is not from website, but मुझे ऐसे 3 लेने हैं और 2 लेने हैं. And I also want cargo joggers that I can wear.
Can't see that.
You know, कहीं पे भी like one of my sort of life goals, manifestations is that just I can sleep in those, I can work in those, I can go out with people on those, and that is like just a one-stop shop destination. What's that?
Like free advertising for this.
But yeah, let's see. तुझे कुछ लेना? What about the jeans though? Jeans वाला जो last time देखा था वो.
I'll see if it's on sale. I will not buy it otherwise.
Same for me. So last week we saw a brown, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, कुर्ती?
Not kurti.
So like brown loose flare pants type thing, जो I thought will look very nice on her, and we are trying to find that.
Maybe it's gone. Who knows? There was a skirt I wanted.
Chalu. Same thing, maybe wearing the similar thing.
Check it out, we're bracelet buddies.
बड़ा नहीं होगा ना? Like
I don't know,
lengthwise.
yeah. I'm
Lengthwise.
cutting your head off. Sorry.
ये कितने का था? 1299. So this seems like a good price, and whatever I buy, I just use it for like a minimum of 4 years. So 1499 seems like a good thing, and we are trying to find something for her. She's shy ना ऐसे, तो नहीं करते. So we both did not get anything. मुझे एक चीज़ बहुत ही अच्छी लगी, but I just like use her method, which is if you are doubtful,
Don't buy.
just let it go. Like मैंने फेंक ही दिया directly. And so where are we going now?
I don't know. Money's just short.
We usually have this answer हमेशा. Whenever she asks me, if I ask her, where are we going now? I don't know. It's like the best answer. So
Money's just short. We can go to Marine Drive.
तुझे ही बताना पड़ेगा कैसे, क्योंकि
Yeah, we can go from
Yeah,
there.
sure.
This is we'll pass like the Mumbai airport. But
Well,
why
let's
can't
go.
you do it from the other way? Like,
क्या?
so that we see
क्या?
what's happening in the capital.
Okay, so we are going यहाँ पे like Noble Plus, and we go there बहुत बार, but this might be the last time that we are going there because we might get kicked out, which is
No,
also
I'm not part of this.
yeah.
I'm
She's not. She doesn't know me like.
Yeah, I don't know you.
Introvert?
I don't
Huh?
know you.
Choose one for me. Don't want a wafer.
You don't want to be.
नहीं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं. Single time we come here, तो फिर she picks a protein. Yeah, she picks a protein bar. I pick a protein bar, and her bar every single time, her choice is better than mine, and I just end up. Cookies मुझे पसंद है, हाँ. फिर आधा बार गिर गया. हट गया.
It fell down.
Yeah,
What a waste.
वो देख.
Try. Try this. Try this. Yeah. Don't like it?
Like always, ये वाला is like slightly better than ये वाला. How is this?
It's good. No, it's good. It's like digestive biscuit.
हम लोग है ना लास्ट तभी CCD में बैठे थे, तो फिर she just drops ऐसे like a nice like ऐसे इसके है ना हर like every 1 in 5 things that she shares is like a quote, and like a fun fact is
Nice.
her brother and myself we are born on the same birthday, right? So फिर she just asked me कि your soul did not choose anyone, and what was the thing? हाँ you don't remember?
Why so?
No.
For
Yeah.
your sibling. Oh,
Yeah.
that way.
Grown.
Psychologically, like
Yeah, a
mentally,
lot.
emotionally, that way. I think I definitely have.
Hmm.
I've done a lot of introspection
Hmm.
and developed some degree of self-awareness.
Hmm.
So that is always beneficial.
Hmm.
Now the other bit. थोड़ा ऊपर से घूमना. Like should look as if we are, you know, in line with the camera rather than.
ऐसे सब rules है ना, just drop off कर दे when you start vlogging, ठीक है? ऐसा कुछ होता नहीं है ऐसे.
It is if it's my video, I make the rules. Your video, you do what you want.
सीख रही है धीरे-धीरे में से ये. तो what were you going to talk about? Introvert, yeah, people have this misconception.
Erroneous belief that
क्या belief?
introverts erroneous.
I learn a new word like every hour.
So
Just
basically, they think that, you know, introverts cannot be on camera.
Actually,
If
I'll
you're
follow your
introverted, then you're socially awkward or anxious. You know?
and that is not true at all because we both are introverts and we are just like the people just have a wrong definition or a wrong perspective of what an introvert is because an introvert just charges through their alone time versus an extrovert charges through people.
Yes.
She'll explain better. She's
Yeah,
like,
no.
yeah.
You've explained it pretty accurately. So I think that's just the fundamental difference between the two. And introverts can also interact with people
It's as normally and as
Yeah.
just with energy as extroverts.
Yes. But then if you do too much of it, you feel drained. So you need
Yeah,
your
that's
alone
it. That
time
is
to
the
recharge.
key word that I
Yeah.
wouldn't have probably got. You know, ki
Yeah.
if you do it too much, an introvert does it too much, they'll get drained. An extrovert can do it all day
They get
and not
energized.
feel drained. Yeah.
That's the difference. Yes.
So a difference between an extrovert and मैं rule तोड़ रहा हूँ is कि at the end of the day, if two people are having a same day in terms of like their social interactions, then an introvert will be completely drained out if they are having a lot of social interaction. An extrovert will be just totally. And also I think
I think it also depends upon the type of interaction, right? Like, so as an introvert, and I don't know if this is what most introverts experience, but for me personally, all of my relationships with people are one-on-one. So I don't have social groups. When I hang out also with you, it will just be with you. When I'm hanging out with another friend, it will just be with them. Because I feel individuals are very different when you meet them individually versus when you meet them in a group, and you only get to fully know a person when
No,
you're alone with them.
No,
right?
I think it depends if you just put an extrovert like alone with a person, maybe from your perspective, from your vantage point, you will get to know them better, but they wouldn't be in their own natural, healthy environment where they could express them.
There was this, I think there was this phrase someone had said that people sacrifice themselves for the sake of the group, like in order to conform or comply with the group, you know.
ऐसे ही bomb डाल दिया है बीच
But this
में.
is not my line.
Yeah.
But it's also that. No, I forgot what I was saying. You interrupted me, but it's okay.
नहीं उसे बाद में याद आएगा then she
Yeah.
tell me. And
Then what?
then what? चाय का कप गिर गया हमारा.
Funny.
Zinger. High and tight.
He's going to drop another.
No, it's not. I watched a really cool video today where
Covered?
this man was speaking about how, like, you can no longer say something is a habit or pattern if once you're conscious of it, then it becomes a choice.
Yeah.
It only remains a habit. It only remains a pattern. It only remains a tendency till you're unconscious. But the minute you have self-awareness, then you're actively choosing. You're actively choosing to continue doing that. So that's when we need to take responsibility. And the thing is, we only continue to do something when it's serving us in some way.
You have to stand right here क्योंकि वहाँ पे filming allowed नहीं है. Yeah.
So we only continue to do something when it's serving us in some way. Like some part of you has this belief that is the better alternative for you, which is why you continue doing it. So if I think smoking is bad, but I continue doing
Even I
it.
do.
Yeah, but that's because a certain part of me thinks it's actually helping a certain part of me. Now I need to figure out what part of me that is, what story or what narrative it's serving, and then only I can make change.
No, usually जब we're like just walking around church gate, Kolava, anywhere, तो फिर
I don't know if that made sense, but I'm pretty.
it made sense to me. So usually this is how things go. We are just walking and she just like drops ऐसे this wise words and
These are
like
not my words. It's
yeah,
all
but
like
नहीं, but
recycled.
most of it is original. Most of the time she's like connecting the dots, and I think we have to stop filming now. क्योंकि
Actually, do what you want. It's your video.
my video, my
Your video.
yeah. So
Yeah.
what were we saying?
So every single time I think I've grown enough, I've matured, I've become wiser, thinking all of these things about myself. The universe comes and slaps me in the face like essay, because apparently I'm not grown enough. I have more growing to do, I have more learning to do, and now I'm really tired. Like I feel I have ascended enough. I have become self-aware, but there's still so much left, and I don't know when all of this will end. Not to say I'm not privileged, I'm very privileged, I'm very grateful. I have a lot that I've been gifted, and
But you know, in some things, जैसे I just know her for a while now. In some things, she has changed so much. Like you know, she just shows up more authentically. Like आपने तो सिर्फ कैमरा के सामने देखा है, but she just shows up more authentically, and she's not scared to do a few things that she was scared to do 3-4 years ago. And you just do it fearlessly, and you just do it as if nobody cares. And there are obviously some parts of you that you are very, very scared to like show. Not in just front of the camera, but like show it to other people,
to
even
other
in
people.
person.
I think those are the parts that get highlighted, and that's what I'm really struggling with right now. With you know what I'm.
जैसे we just used to. I mean, even for me, we have been vlogging like just been like 3 years, 4 years maybe, but we both of us just used to operate from a space of like scarcity and fear. And right now, I just sense this thing more in her. But she just right now operates from a space of abundance and sort of grace and like a lot more femininity than she did like 3 years ago.
Thank you. But I still think that like my predominant lens of looking at the world is that scarcity, insecurity. But it's slowly being replaced with that abundance.
If it were
like
a 2 on 10, 4 years ago, it is like a 6 on 10 right now.
0 on 10.
Yeah, 0 on 10, maybe minus 4 on 10.
6 on 10.
But it is still like 6 on 10. And like going from minus 4 to like 6 is like a huge difference. And you have come so far, and after that it just snowballs. Like it's just same like YouTube. Like it just snowballs and just helps you more, and one aspect of that translates and just extrapolates into like other aspects.
So nice to be on camera, like outside, the way you talk. But I appreciate it. Yeah, I agree. Like I definitely feel better. Like with all of this work, therapy, meditation, mindfulness. What else have you done? But it's definitely.
And she's also started training.
Yeah, I started training again. So I am doing very slow, gentle movement to start with. Short workouts, so 20 to 30 minutes, because I have a job now and I don't want to make my body do too much.
And I feel ki the image that we shared of just doing fitness all the time. Her video is coming, by the way. If this like whatever the case, it will be like in the description. Yeah, I'll just comment it and pin it how I do it. But I just lost my train of thought, and I'm looking at the screen. Because she's looking at the screen. Yeah, I just have this like habit of looking at. I know.
At the screen and at you, because even I'm a little confused whether I should look at myself. It's
I'm
new to me.
I'm looking at the screen because you are looking at it, and then we'll be both looking at the screen. I'll be looking at the camera hole, and you will be looking at the screen. We could just talk forever, like just introverts, and now we.
Who cares what you are listening to? It's who you're listening with.